Brazil. It's maybe the country with the most amazing uh, plant life and birds, and not so much tigers or elephants, but it's a very specific fauna and flora. And before I came here, of course, the only thing I knew always was the Amazonas rainforest is in danger. It's being cut down. Big pieces the size of Austria are being cut down at once. And when I came here, I started to see how things are really. I calmed down a lot, and I give you one example. For example, here, this was the size of a banana tree that I planted in August, and now look at this in August planted, and that's the size it's now, and it has already bananas. Imagine, there's like about 40 bananas on there, and look at the trunk size. I put myself here that you see. So that's now, well, it's about 10 months ago, 10 months, and look at the size of this banana tree. It's about, I would say, 5 meters tall. And here, see my hand in comparison. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already on the side. This one is already like 4 meters tall. And this is all happening in 10 months. So now imagine, we are here close to Sao Paulo, where it's like moderate growth, and Amazonas is quite a big difference. I've seen places here where they've cut down everything to build a house, and within 6 months you would not see there was anything cut down. And of course the big trees, they take a little longer, but I want to say something about relating to our medicine of information. And I would say many people get sick today because they have no connection with animals and plants anymore. And so in their culture, it's basically a waste of time to spend time with animals. It's a luxury, but for activism, for fighting for something like for the Amazonas rainforest, or for the polar bears, or for the tigers in Bangladesh, or for the orangutans in Indonesia, there you are allowed to put in your energy and your time, because it's really about some bigger goal. But I know, at least from this example here, most of the time it is a great desperation, a great missing of nature, of being with nature. And so people fight for something instead of actually going to the zoo. I've been in places, in a zoo, in beautiful zoo. We go in every zoo where we are, be it Amsterdam, or I mean, maybe the biggest and most beautiful one I saw is in Sydney and in Amsterdam. But about everywhere we go into the zoo, because the more involved I am with so many things, the more also I need food. I need something that feeds me. And I can say nature, and particularly animals, are what feeds me very much, and where I can see that many people would need a dose, not of electromagnetic radiation or of magnetic therapy, but just of some animal connection. can have some animals at your home, and of course I would say that's why they are that's what they are made for, to spend time with people and to feed them, and you feed them and you learn so much. And here's one of our little new additions to our house. And now look at this little one. Huh? That's a Persian little cat, and and it's morning and he's more active, and and he's about 30 days old. He sleeps a lot. See, he sleeps in my hand. When I'm steady, he sleeps in my hand. So 30 days old, and he eats already, and he gives us a lot of fun. Yes. Only one person is not so happy, is our cat here. This is a cat which came from because he's jealous. He is jealous. He first has to get used to this little one. So you learn something. Usually you are so nice, Leo. He came from California. Has a very good life here. But now this one little one, he does not like. Summarize. You all know people who subscribe to the idea we need more supplements, some specific Q10, some vitamin K or B12, or if you're more advanced holistic practitioner, you certainly will see that there's somebody needing some maybe some starlight essence, or some maybe even Scala energy. Because why why have we forgotten that really nature is very close to us and we really need it? Because it's too simple, and because it's not part of our new age physics belief. So that's so much about this video.